God. I'm scared. Is it scary?
No.
Does it hurt?
No.
Yeah.
Not
You're the only one got hurt because you're too light.
How do you know? You already went down. You said it hurt your toes.
No, Carrie said that.
Yeah, Marge. Because I went down because I had different shoes on. Oh, God. Don't push me. Not hard, just a little bit.
The dumpster fell over. Are you okay? The dumpster fell over. The garbage can. The dumpster fell over.
The dumpster fell over.
Owie, my head.